Hello everyone! So for today's video ay pag-uusapan natin yung bagong teaching background ng 5-1 Talk. It's no longer Max, okay? We will not totally say goodbye to Max because he's still part of our lesson material. And yung mga puppets at saka mga t-shirt and props na mayroong mukha ni Max, hindi naman natin siya totally i-disregard, okay? So as part of the refreshing branding of 5-1 Talk, we will switch to Talkie. We are welcoming Talkie na in our teaching background as our brand icon. So, starting March 31, ay kailangan na nating palitan yung ating mga teaching background or yung tarpaulin. Yeah, tarpaulin kasi yung pronunciation ko noon ng tarpaulin. So, checking on the Cambridge pronunciation, that should be tarpaulin. So, yan na yung ating pronunciation ng tarpaulin. Okay? Sa mga existing teacher, inform na yung mga existing teacher kasi nandun na po siya sa my page yung brand update ng platform na kailangan na talaga by March 31 at saka sa mga new applicants pala baka makaprint kayo ng ganito, hindi na po ito yung ipiprint natin. So mayroon na tayong bagong icon, yung si Talkie na po. Okay, so there are things to remember in printing teaching tarp, yung bagong tarpaulin natin. Okay, so print as it is. So, mayroon akong ipa-flash dyan. Do not make changes to the color. So, just like this, parang iniba niya, parang ginawa niyang darker or lighter. So, hindi yun pwede. Then, do not add graphics. So, kasi mayroong mga teachers na lalagyan ng kanilang mga decorations and other icons, yung mga flowerets or what. So, hindi yun pwede. Then, do not stretch and distort the file. So, ano yung nasa my page na standard tarpaulin design? So, hindi natin siya dapat i-stretch or i-smaller yung size. Okay? Print as it is. And then, this is the size of our tarpaulin. Stick to the size. Only print the tarp on its standard dimension. The width is 50 inches and the height is 36 inches. So, at least na-inform ko kayo sa ating standard size. Okay, sa mga existing teachers, saan natin makikita yung file ng ating tarpaulin? So, go to my page. Makikita nyo to. Under Lesson Support Team, mayroong nakalagay dyan, Download Teaching Tarpaulin. So, i-click nyo lang yung link na yan. Tapos, mapupunta kayo dito. Okay, so mayroong nakalagay dyan na Google Drive link. Okay, i-click nyo lang yan. Ito na yung makikita nyo, yung print and read me. Okay, nandyan na yung ipiprint na standard size at saka yung instruction. So, para naman sa mga new applicants na gustong mag-print before their demo, we'll just leave the link in the description box or in the comment section if you have seen this one in YouTube. Okay? Para naman makapag-print kayo. Okay, para naman sa gusto ng polo shirt ng 5-1 Talk, I will leave the link below. And also, you can see this one in my YouTube video, yung description box or somewhere the link here above. Kasi iba yung link ng sa YouTube videos and shorts. Tapos itong sa lanyard, ito pa naman yung standard lanyard. Tapos yung pin, parang papalitan na rin ito ng Talkie. So, maghintay-hintay lang tayo ng best seller for the 5-1 Talk pin, Talkie pin. So, I guess that's all for today. Sana nakatulong ang video na to. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and heart this one if you have seen this one in TikTok. Thank you so much. I hope to see you soon. And for those who want to be my referrals, just click on the link below or chat me in advance para ma-endorse ko kayo sa human interviewer. That's all for today. And always smile and God bless everyone. God bless your teaching journey here in 5-1 Talk. Bye-bye!